Introducing the KL40. Lightweight, compact, and built for effortless mobility. With its ultra-fast 3-second folding, you're always ready to go. No waiting, no hassle, just fold and move. Stay steady and secure with anti-tip wheels, designed for your safety on every ride. Available in multiple colors, because mobility should match your personality. Weighing only 30 pounds, the KL40 is easy to lift, store, and transport anywhere. Take full control with the intuitive 360-degree joystick, offering smooth and precise navigation. Go further with a detachable battery, delivering a reliable 10-mile range on a single charge. Order now at klanowheelchair.com